Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the best honey mustard. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need exactly 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sweet honey, and 2 tablespoons of robust Dijon mustard. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for that essential tang, plus 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. This combination creates a truly balanced and delicious sauce. Now let's get to mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. It's crucial to whisk these 3 main ingredients together thoroughly. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. This initial step sets the foundation for a perfectly creamy and consistent honey mustard, ensuring every bite is delightful. Take your time here for the best results. Next, it's time to introduce those crucial flavor enhancers. Gently stir in your 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This adds a wonderful brightness. Then, incorporate the 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and that small pinch of salt. Mix everything well until all ingredients are fully combined. Now for the best part, taste your honey mustard. Adjust the sweetness or tang by adding a bit more honey or Dijon mustard until it perfectly suits your preference. Enjoy your homemade creation. Your delicious homemade honey mustard is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with chicken tenders, crispy fries, or as a sandwich spread. For any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 7 days, so you can savor it throughout the week. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your car, check out the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.